In front of me is ZTE Nubia N1 Lite, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dealer. This is the first method. And let me enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And this one will provide you with IMEI number assigned to your device, actually with both of them. So tap on OK to go back. And you can also open those IMEI numbers with serial number as well through the settings. So just open the settings, then find and select About Phone, go to the status, and under IMEI information you will be able to check those numbers, and a bit lower you've got serial number right here. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.